You came in for this?
What? What? I can't hear you.
You got a lot of gunk in your ear trunk.
Excuse me?
That's why we add subtitles. Normally, your ears clean themselves, but earwax can build up. And putting something in your ears, like earbuds or hearing aids, can actually encourage wax buildup.
Oh, those look like mine.
Earwax buildup can create an uncomfortable feeling of fullness in your ears and can even affect hearing. You need a safe and effective solution for proper ear hygiene. You need Earwax MD by Eosera, the over-the-counter drops that actually dissolves earwax buildup. You don't even need to see a doctor. It's as easy as drop, drop, tick-tock, wash, wash.
Oh my gosh, that's much better.
I'll say, that gunk is gone. With Earwax MD, you don't need to go chasing old wives' tales.
Hush, Ingerbolton is here. The candle comes out, the oil goes in, then we put the sock with hot potatoes on top.
Wait, people actually do this?
Yes, people actually do that. Now get out of here, Ingerbutton.
Ingerbolton.
We've got something better than magic. We've got science. Sweet, sexy science. Whoa. I'm going to show you how Earwax MD works on the Wicked Witch of the Wax. Other solutions need to be used for up to 4 days and aren't very effective.
No, stop.
But Earwax MD breaks down buildup and dissolves earwax in as little as 15 minutes. Does Earwax MD really work? We've got over 1,500 5-star reviews from happy ears all over.
This is the best way to blast wax buildup from your ears.
It cleans like a professional otolaryngologist. Enough said.
This stuff took the wax out of my ears that has probably been there for years.
Eosera is all ears. So take out those earwax-covered earbuds and get yourself Earwax MD and Wax Blaster MD now. What are you waiting for? Click the link. Did you hear me? Oh, maybe you just need to get your ears cleaned out. Seriously, click the link and get yourself Earwax MD today.